So we are at the Interpack 2026. It's already, let's say, half time, right? We are now today at the Mespack at the booth in Hall 6, booth 37, and I'm here together with Guillem Lloret. Hello, Guillem.
Hello, Marcus.
Maybe as a starting point, could you shortly introduce us Mespack and then also what is your role within Mespack?
Yeah, of course, with my pleasure. So Mespack is an OEM. We basically build machines for the packaging industry. We can make primary, secondary packaging or even turnkey solutions. We can do water-soluble pods, dye packs, stick packs, all this kind of stuff. So that's our bread and butter. As me particularly, I'm the innovation director. So I lead all our innovation efforts and investments on the company in all the fields where we think it's positive. It's technology, it's software, and it's also machinery, of course.
So, as I said, we are already halfway, let's say, with the Interpack. So I believe you already have good engagements with your customers from these discussions. Where do you see what are the biggest topics you're discussing with them, and what are you talking about with your customers? Yeah,
definitely. I think that everything revolves around technology and how we can enhance production and production capabilities. We see a lot of interest on knowing more about the machines through data. Mm-hmm. Obviously, AI is a super big topic, but more, let's say, things that you can see today about quality of manufacturing, about efficiency. So that's the big concerns for our customers.
And then, of course, for me as watttron, it would be the most interesting part. And of course, where does our technology, where can digital heating can help you on these topics to solve these issues or to offer exactly that what the customer is looking for?
Yeah, basically, I think that with your system, what we can do is enhance all the sealing process, right? Especially if we talk about monomaterials, which are a little bit trickier, we can bridge that gap and make a seal that it's much more, say, precise. And it helps on working with that complicated materials. I think that's very well taken for our customers because they understand that now, especially with new regulations, they need to make investments to make their machines ready for that.
Yeah. So if I understand correctly, so on your booth here, you're presenting a solution for the bottom sealer and also for the top sealer.
Yep.
So looking ahead in the future, where do you see our technology within Mespack machines, within your machinery? What are your plans, let's say?
I think that your technology gives us a very good backbone to develop on top, right? You provide us with a lot of valuable data, and we can do, I think, added value functions that then we can convey to our customers. For example, right here, we have our bottom sealer. With this, we've made that co-development to make this work, but then on top, what we try to do is understand data and give value. For example, detecting where the triple point is. You know that's one of the hotspots on sealing a pouch, right? So combining the bottom sealer and the vertical sealer and the data that we get from that, we can enhance a lot the triple point and make pouches tight where they should be.
So I'm interested to follow with you this path, and so looking forward to the next days. There's some days to go, and then for the next time to our cooperation and to support and help your customers. So thanks for having us, and have a nice show.
Thank you very much, Marcus.